Hello, how's it going? Hey, Nick.
Nikki, hey.
Happy Thursday. This is a really exciting Thursday, not only for all of the things that we're going to talk about today, but also because I'm in a new time zone. So I'm in the same time zone as you. We are both in Europe this week. So
Yes.
it's really, it's really crazy that we work with so many people across different time zones, but I'm excited to be here, and we're doing this at 8 p.m. So shout out to everyone in Europe, and shout out, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you are. Let's
Uh,
introduce ourselves in case you don't know me or Nick before, like you haven't seen us before. Um, I am the social media manager, one of them here at HeyGen. So I'm running the TikTok and some things on the Instagram as well. So definitely follow us on TikTok if you haven't. And Nick?
yeah, I'm taking care about like our enterprise customer, not just like I would say first level support questions, also like the onboarding, showing like tips and tricks, helping like I would say at the first few weeks to how they could improve their workflow, how they could like get a better workflow done in all the features we are offering, because it's quite a few at the moment, and then we will develop and improve ourselves. So yeah, it's a quite good journey. And I also had today a very cool, nice and client from Africa, and he has like a school in Kenya. So this was quite exciting to get more information how they are using HeyGen for like educational and teaching things. And yeah, and I would like to share today to everyone how they could improve their like training videos game with HeyGen.
That's awesome. Yeah, I love hearing new people from new countries, just hearing how they're using HeyGen, because there really are so many different use cases. There's so many of you that are building, with our technology for your businesses, but also so many creators. And we've been talking a lot about this, Nick and I, and we want to cater to all sorts of people. So we are thinking about, how we can improve our webinars. We appreciate any feedback, how we can use, keep getting the feedback to build and customize these webinars for you. So definitely, what are your thoughts about this, Nick? Nick is always in a Discord. He's one of our community managers there. So he gets a lot of interaction, from
Yeah,
Discord.
this is we had this idea that we would like to create like a new webinar more like for creators, because
Yep.
HeyGen is like working with Canva, with Adobe Express, and this is like our new partner here at HeyGen. And
Yep.
also we have like plugins with GPT, with ChatGPT, and
Yeah,
also
we have a
um,
ChatGPT plugin if you haven't heard. We have
yeah, and
Canva, Adobe is coming up soon. There's a lot of different integrations and ways that you can use our API. So we're thinking, yeah, potentially to have a webinar that's going to be for creators, but really just give us feedback, and we want to show you how you can best use HeyGen with all of the new updates, with everything we're building. So what should we talk about today, Nick?
yeah,
Let's jump.
because also we could collect like the feedback, and then we could like get like showcases done, like real-time live showcases in this new type of webinar, that we can like work all together to like one project. And I think this could be pretty fun, and I'm looking forward. So yeah, please give us your feedback. And Nikki, one thing we have to mention, there are like a lot of like people, they would like to get 5 credits. How does it work?
Yeah, so every time, every week, we're telling you all the latest things you could build with HeyGen, but we like to give back credits as well. Every webinar, if you stay until the end, you will be able to fill out a type form. So a form for us to know that you were here, that you watched the whole thing, and we can give you 5 credits to try out everything that's new and keep making videos. So definitely, I'm sorry that some of you might be seeing, a little blurry, but I'm glad you can hear me. So I'm excited, yeah, to show you all. We're gonna do so many more. We have so many ideas, and now I think today we're gonna go over what are we gonna go over? The video translation. Why don't you tell us about avatars? Give us a 101 on studio avatars, on what types of avatars you can use in HeyGen, and we'll go from there.
The most use case and the most requests we get from our like customer, not just like B2C, even like B2B, is really that like people would like to create new content in case of educational and training, informational, onboarding, security videos. And we would like to make sure that we show how it works at the end and what we could offer to make this easier for you. And to get started, I would like to show and give you like an overview of like the avatars we provide. So on the first view, we have like our instant avatars. And this is an instant avatar I was recording like the last time we had this webinar. And I want to show you that this instant avatar is recorded by a smartphone camera with 2 minutes. And then after 5 minutes, you will get and receive your instant avatar through your interface of HeyGen in your account. And then you can use it. So this is the instant avatar. And if I create a video here, I will just
Hallo
like
Yumi,
give you.
dein Instant-Avatar
So
ist
this is
bereit.
German.
Fühle dich frei, Videos damit zu erstellen.
So we will take the video footage of your video you are providing and uploading, and then we will like generate your instant avatar. And to use this instant avatar, you can just simply go and press on create this video, and then you have the choice here. So you could start even with like, I would say TikTok format or Instagram format, but you could also switch this to the landscape itself. So this avatar here is there, you can't remove the background. So you have to take it as it is. But you could also change the view of the avatar. So if you got like a close-up or even like a circle view, you could put it somewhere in your interface here, in your script, and then you can work with this. So this is the instant avatar. And then if you want to have like next and even better quality, you could have a fine-tuned avatar. And how does it work? Because I get a lot of questions. Yeah, how does it work with a fine-tuned avatar? So if you go back to your interface here, you will see the 3 dots in the corner. And then you can press fine-tune. So what does it do is like, you will get a higher video resolution and quality of the avatar itself. Also, you will get and we will provide a better lip synchronization. And to be honest, this is very fast. It is just ready after 8 hours. So
and it looks amazing. I would have to fine tune my video right now for the live stream.
Yeah, this will be cool. And we will also like train your voice, that you also like provide more languages into your fine-tuned avatar. And to be very honest with you, the fine-tuned avatar is such a great quality and technology in case of avatars. So the most people who are reaching out, they're just obsessed with this quality of the fine-tuned avatar, and they are like choosing the avatar. For all the enterprise customer we have in our like community today, there's also one more and more advanced technology, and I would say the most advanced technology in the industry right now, and it's called Studio Avatar. And Studio Avatar, you could also use our provided Studio Avatars in HeyGen. So if you, again, go to create a video.
Studio avatar, let us know in the chat if you have. I'm super curious. It's one of the best features out there.
Right, yeah, I see. So if you have your instant avatar and your fine-tune avatar, then you, and I will just show you like how does it work with the remove the background, right? So if you're choosing your fine-tune avatar, and it's every time it's labeled here with fine-tune, you have this button here now, and this is remove avatar background. So, and then we will do it automatically in the system. So at this stage, you can add every kind of background you're wishing for, and you could put it in the front of your PowerPoint presentation, slides, videos, whatever, and you can start to generate and creating your videos. And if you, I just want to show, like for every enterprise customer, we will have a studio avatar. And this is like our provided studio avatar is available for everyone. But if you want to have like a studio avatar from yourself, this is just available for enterprise customer. And this will be like the biggest quality in case of avatars. The big difference here is like the frame rate at the end. So the instant avatar comes with a 25 FPS frame rate, and the studio avatars with a 60 FPS frame rate. So it will be look more natural at the end. But like I said,
crazy.
it is
Wait, say those numbers again.
like 25 FPS frame rate for the instant avatars and 60 FPS frame rate for the studio avatars. So
frames per second. So 25 to 60, that's a very big difference. The quality is just so much better of the movements and the lips and everything. So
and this is a good point. Yes, quality. But what about like studio avatars? They are very professional, right? If you are looking for more like a casual, because sometimes you want to sit like my avatar here. Let's go back to my avatar I was just creating, or even like this kind of avatar. If you would like to sit down like in front of a table or whatever, you should use like the fine-tune avatar. So again, create a normal instant avatar with your smartphone camera, with a professional camera, and then we could do like the fine-tune, and then this is like a fine-tune avatar. So pretty cool. You have to try it out. And I think it's like a remarkable like quality at the end. So is there like any question at this stage, Nikki?
I was going to tell you there are a few questions.
Sure.
So there is a pricing question. People are asking if it's $79 per month on top of the basic monthly.
Yes, it is. Yes, exactly. It's like a new subscription for the avatar itself. Yes.
Right. And then can you compare that to the fine tuning the avatar? So the fine tuning is monthly.
Yeah, exactly. And the instant avatar, you will have like 3 instant avatar for free. So we are offering this so you can like create 3 different type of avatars you're looking for. Maybe one time you want to stand, and one time you want to sit down, and one time you want to change the outfit. Yeah, this is for free, and this is included in all like our plans. Yes.
And then the studio avatar.
Studio avatar is really for enterprise customer. So this would be like you should contact like our like enterprise sales team, and then we will like give you all the quotes and numbers for this studio avatar and how does it work, because there's also like a guideline what you have to do in case of recording a professional studio avatar.
Cool. And there is another question on avatars, if more avatars will be coming out.
Yes, we are. Great question. So this type of avatars we have here, I want to show you. This is like our newest avatars. And
yeah, we have new avatars, and we haven't shown these yet. So this is super exciting.
Yes.
If you can show us.
So this is Brianna in 3 different type of looks. This is Anna, and then we have also like Kristen is new, and we have Viviana is new. We also have Carolyn is new, and then we have like Maria, and we will add more and more avatars now. So if you want to become an avatar, to be honest, you should contact us, because there's this like a really nice offer what we could give to you if you want to provide yourself with an avatar into HeyGen. So contact us, and then we will figure it out how you could become like an official HeyGen avatar on our platform.
Is this one of the first type form we're gonna send out?
I don't know, but I think in the back end they will figure it out how we contact us.
Go on our website to contact us to fill out, get in touch with our enterprise team. Nick is doing calls all day with people that have filled out that form and have reached out to contact us. So there's a whole team of people answering to all of your questions, and everything here, just a reminder, I am looking at. So if we don't get everything answered, it is feedback that I am sending to our team, so that every webinar we host, we have updates like our latest avatars.
And just interrupt me. If you find like a question, just interrupt me. It's all good.
No, all good. I mean, this has been, very helpful. I think that just walking through different features that we can do on HeyGen, there's so much on there. Like sometimes I don't even realize all the features I could be using. So what is next? Yeah.
And now I want to show you one video, because there are a lot of people think, okay, the avatar, this is not looking good. This is not looking like natural or anything. And I would like to show you a video now. And if you do like a good editing and you get better and better, I don't really think that someone is really recognized that this is an avatar. And I heard this so many times. And even with our like fine-tuned avatars, you will not really see like a difference. So let me share like a different type of screen.
You know what we should do? We should do a reaction video of everyone reacting to their avatars. Maybe we can make it a contest, because the reactions are always so priceless when I see people seeing their own avatar. Like if you haven't tried this out, you have to try it out.
So this is a video we did, and this is just the avatar from our CEO, Joshua. So, and I would like to show you this now. And if you really would like to tell me that this is an avatar, I don't know. This is just perfect.
Is it just me, or have these kinds of videos recently become universally appealing? In today's video, I'll share with you how to make this type of animated viral video. I will tell you all the tools that can be utilized and how to use them. Firstly, I will use the Harry Potter Balenciaga video as our guide. We initially used 2 AI tools to generate the needed images, ChatGPT and Midjourney. I will share the prompts I use in the description area, so you can easily copy and paste them.
So I just want to share this, because I think there are like a lot of people who are underrating like the quality itself of like the avatar. What do you think?
Yeah, no, I agree with you, and show us more. This is crazy. I mean, I've seen these videos. I need to share them on TikTok as well, actually. So thanks for the reminder. But yeah, all the people in the chat saying that they want to be an avatar, they would love to be an avatar. Do it after the webinar. Go ahead and do it.
Yeah, contact us. We are looking forward to get even like more nationalities. And this is the big topic. I mean, we are one planet, and we would like to cover all the nationalities we have on this planet, and to become like an avatar that everyone can fit like the perfect avatar.
Yeah, we want to add more people. Do you have any more information, any more details on just the avatars, like who we've worked with in the past? I think the 3 were the most recent. Those 3 you showed.
What do you mean?
Like, just if they want to be an avatar, who do they contact? Just our enterprise team or team in general?
Yeah, I would search just like support@heygen.com, and then they will like follow these emails to us, to our team, and then we will take care of all the requests we have. Yeah, sure.
Awesome. Yes.
This is the easiest way, but it's a good idea. But maybe we should like start like a studio avatar at HeyGen.com, something like this, that they can reach directly to us out. But we would love to. So this is a very cool thing.
But for now, make yourself into an avatar and share it with us. So we're always, seeing how people use it, what creative ideas they could come up with. So definitely tag us all. And maybe this is a good point to also say that we have a Discord channel that is always doing contests. So we're always looking for ambassadors and people that want to join the contest. And we are going to be giving out credits for all future contests. So you can use the 5 credits to join the contests that we host. So
yeah, it's important to say that if you want to join the Discord contest, so we will release a topic every month, and then they will like join us in our contest. So you will get additional 5 credits to like attend to our like contest, and then you can win big prizes like money, or like a fine-tuned avatar, or like prizes. So just come through our like Discord channel, and then stay
Yeah.
tuned for the next contest. Yeah.
Awesome.
So
So yeah, let's get back on.
yeah, what I would like to show now is like training videos. So this was now the avatar part, and now, okay, how could I start with the with my own like training videos, or even like templates? So what you have to understand is that HeyGen is doing a pretty good job in case of templates. We are not there where we would like to be, but we are doing a better and better job, and get even more templates from week to week, from month to month. And so how does it work is you could really, I will show you a template. Okay, Nikki?
Yeah, I'm
Welcome to this
wondering
versatile business.
Yeah.
I'm wondering about what my last presentation was, and I want to know what everyone in the chat's last presentation was. So think about the last time you had to do, whether it was a business report, an analytics report, a pitch. I just want to know, because this will also help us know if more people are using presentations for a certain category, certain type of presentation, that we're just going to help you all get better and have, you know, more templates in that category. So
yeah,
definitely.
and like I said, so if you want to give us like, I would say, if you want us to show you how to do your own templates, even with Canva or Adobe, or even like in our platform, then just let us know, and we will do the like showcases here. So this is a template now with the studio avatar we are offering. I will just press play now.
This presentation template. Use this introductory slide to present your company and individuals involved. Include your organization's name and briefly describe your mission or purpose. This visual slide is ideal for showcasing a key image representing your brand. Simply replace the background photo as needed. We know data resonates. Leverage this slide to update your audience on relevant key performance indicators. With the dual text boxes, you can highlight 2 major metrics or data points. Conclude by thanking attendees and recapping the presentation's main takeaways on this summary slide. The template provides a...
So what I would like to show you now, what we could really do. So if you want to use this template because you think this is a very good like template I could use even for my own training videos, then we can just press this template, and we could start to make it more customizable for you.
Yeah, that's awesome. I think that was such a great video. I kind of want to see another one. Can you show us?
Yeah, sure. If you want to, I can. Yeah, I mean, for any use case we have like a template, so you don't have to start from the bottom or from the scratch. I mean, you can, but you don't have to. We have so many videos, and like all the scripts, you have advertisement, e-commerce, learning development, explainer, social media, business cards, health, medical. So we have so many things we can offer. So what about like the learning journey?
Welcome to another stylish template for learning and development. Use this to introduce your e-learning modules if you need to set the stage for the learning journey. Start with an eye-catching title to grab attention.
And what you can hear in the background is music. So you could even add your own like branding, but also like the music we are providing in the background. So if you have like even
Welcome
like
to this
sales
adaptable
text,
sales presentation template. The opening scene provides an introduction video layout with lower thirds captions, ideal for presenting your company, sharing a concept, or showing a screen recording. Simply click to customize the background video as needed. This format allows...
So this is a really, really good videos and templates what we are offering, but for sure you could even start from scratch to create your own templates. And this is also an important thing. You could add your own like brand kits here, that you can have always like access to your logos, to your like branding colors, to your like branding images, or even like videos. So if you now jump and let's create like a video now.
Yeah, show us. And I've used this before with just getting my avatar and then having a transparent background and then adding it onto whatever video I already have or a compilation of different videos. It's very flexible, very customizable.
Yes, definitely. So at the left bar, we have here elements. And in these elements, you can even choose like the images, videos. You could even like search for special like images, like, I don't know, dog, for example. So you will have all the library, and then you can use this to create like your own presentation. But like I said, you can even like upload your own footage. It doesn't mean like just pictures or music or whatever. So this is a cool feature, and you should try it out. And also, just in case of the music itself, so this is here, and then you can just listen or you're choosing, and then you can just add this to the bar, for example, and then it really like just then you have also like all the background music in your presentation.
Yeah, and I'm just thinking about, how like the production costs are always so high for this kind of video. So this is really reducing the production costs, not maybe on a video about the dogs, but on like corporate training videos. What are some examples of maybe some more like training videos that you've seen a lot, or is it mainly, education?
Yeah, the biggest part for sure is always like the translation issues, like the language issues. So if you have like a production team in your company and you are doing like your training video, the biggest challenge is here, okay, how we could translate this. At the moment, there are a lot of like companies and clients, they would like to use subtitles or just like audio dubbing itself. But this is the cool feature we are offering. You can just change the script. So maybe we should just make a small showcase today. Let's generate a script, just like a random one. Like, what is special about the number 37? So output language, English. We will stuck with English. So let's be creative and
The
I don't
script
know.
writing is such an useful tool that I feel like not enough people are taking advantage of.
Yeah,
So
but
that
why? I
yeah,
mean, we have it here. So
we have it. We also have now an integration with ChatGPT. So there's a lot of different things you can do in order, to
right.
yeah, we want to understand your workflow to know how to make it better.
Yeah, so you could start with a script. So GPT-4 is helping you to provide you a script. So we have scenes. So this is, if you like, for example, this is the perfect, we want to add this. So we will start to create a video here at this stage. So, and then that will like show us, okay, this is the different type of scenes already. And then we have already the text here. So what we could do is we could have her voice here, or we could even change the voice. So this is completely up to you, or you could use your own voice, because we also have an integrated third-party service, and we are working and have a strong partnership with 11 Labs. So this is a very cool thing. So now the biggest question for everyone is, okay, but this is in English. I want to change it like in different type of languages, because this is the part in my journey, like as a producer or editor, that makes me like really heavy problems in my stomach, right? So you could have, and you could go to translate. So, and then you will see the scene in English, and you just select the target language you're looking for.
Yes,
So
someone just asked if it's available in Spanish. So we do have
sure.
Spanish. We have shown them all the languages there. There's 28, I believe, is the number
No,
we're at.
and this other, no, we have more
Oh,
than like
oh, okay.
40, I would say.
20.
So at this avatar, yeah, we're providing a lot of languages here. So, okay, Spanish, for example. So like GPT-4 is like translating the full text in Spanish, and then we can apply to the scene. And then we have the same like script from English translated in Spanish. So now this person, if we submit this video, will speak this text in Spanish, and that's it. And this is so easy. So why to spend like millions and thousands of dollars for like an speaker, translation agency, and all this stuff? You should start to work with HeyGen to make it more efficient and reduce your cost in case of like videos and producing videos.
Yeah, and I see someone in the chat said that they have someone at their firm that speaks French. So they use HeyGen videos to speak French. And I love that. That's one of the things I love to hear is when people say how they use it within their companies to, you know, reach other cultures or just speak some other clients across seas, all of that. And especially for the holidays, we saw a lot of it. And we're going to see it soon. I think Chinese New Year's is coming up. And we got to keep in mind all the holidays that, you know, we can be sending out messages and reaching more people with. But we do have a couple other questions. I don't know if, Nick, you might have some answers. There's one that says, do you intend to deliver filters to apply to an avatar, color filter, shape filter, etc.?
We are working on kind of like a technique like this. So yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, for sure.
Yes, stay tuned and definitely let us know if there's features that you would like to see, because I say this a million times, but we are always making updates and we want to keep improving all the features. So
just before the next question, I just want to let everyone know on the left side, we have this button here and it calls tutorial. It's available for everyone. And there's like a lot of help to get an even better result done for your like training videos or just like videos itself, just like filming techniques, like how to record yourself to get like the best result done. Because in AI, everything is input equal output. So if you have a good input, the output will be even better. So you can't like just doing like a crap webcam recording and then imagine that you will get like a 4K resolution. So, and we will help you to understand what is the best way to record yourself to get the best result done in case of an avatar. So, and here like a lot of videos.
Before you record your video, and this is a really great resource. I'm glad you pointed this out because I forget to tell people about it on the webinars, and I need to mention it every time. There are tutorials there that will have videos for using all of the features, and also just telling you, you know, really good tips and tricks for filming, for making the best out of this. But just keep remembering that we do have updates very frequently. So whether, you know, if you haven't logged in a month, you might see new languages, new avatars, new, you know, buttons. But let's answer also.
And you can always start with a free account here, right? So here's a free account. So you could just start. You could create your own instant avatar. You could play around with. And with these 5 credits from today, you will directly receive like 6 credits. So 1 credit is 1 minute. So you have 6 minutes to play around with to get started.
And you can use it to create a presentation. You can use it to make yourself into an AI avatar and try using that out. You can also use our credits to translate any video into whatever language you want. So definitely.
And one more thing, because I saw this question here, PowerPoint presentation. Yes, if you go to this button, you will see import PowerPoint presentation and PDFs. It is for sure doable here with HeyGen. So you can just upload your PowerPoint presentation. It will show up in the background, and then you can just select your favorite avatar, put it in front, provide the text, and then the video is done. So pretty easy, to be honest.
Yeah, and someone is also asking about uploading an MP4 file as your instant avatar. I'm not sure actually what that means.
Oh yeah, for the recording. Yeah, sure.
Oh, for the the sound. Are you able to do that?
Sure.
Yeah.
Hey guys.
So if you get started, there is like an introduction, like how does it work at the end? So what you should do, how does it work? And if you go to the next steps, you can upload like a footage here. So you don't have to record this with your webcam. I mean, you could, but you could also like just upload the footage, and then it will ask you for what kind of file you want to upload. So yeah.
And is there the option to have subtitles in a different language? Do you know?
Hey guys. I'm Joshua,
So it will
co-founder
be-
and CEO of HeyGen.
Okay, it will be always like the target language. So if you have a video, let me go through this. I think this was a video from like the last time we did a showcase here. So if we go to the editing, there is here this button caption. So you can press this on, and then you will receive the captions in your video.
Yep. And I think this is a newer feature, so you might have not seen this last time. I mean, it's relatively new. So
Right.
another question was, how do I take my 11 labs from English to Spanish?
How do I put my, what does it mean? I think,
So yeah, if you already have an audio, you are able to go on the video translate and change just the audio only, right?
okay, there are like two, this is a small question for video translation.
Yeah, I think it might be.
So it's like two things, just quick, because I don't really know the question itself, but you
Okay.
can just like put your avatar here, then you can select for sure. If you're like using your API key from 11 Labs and integrate here, you can choose your language, and then you just have to change like the script itself. So it will be the voice, like your tended voice in English, for example. But if you change like this text, and then you go to Spanish and apply to the scene, you will like speak Spanish with your own voice and with your accent. So this is for avatar. And if we go to video translate, then it's even easier. So on the left side, you say video translate here. So if you go to video translation, and because, for example, you already have on-demand videos, you just need to translate this, right? So then you can just upload your video here and then just select the language here. So this means you can just like, okay, you can just like select the target language and Spanish, French, German, whatever. And the completely video will be translated with a perfect lip synchronization to the new target language.
Right. So, okay. And then that's the same, the subtitles will be the same as the target. And then are you able to do just an MP3 here or just a voice audio?
Yeah, so at this stage, it is like an MP4, but we are working on MP3 as well. Yes, will be pretty
Yeah, I
soon.
see a few questions about that, but I know that audio audio only was highly requested, so we have added that in as a feature. So we're gonna keep on improving, like always. I'll note down that MP3 is also requested.
I could also
Yeah.
show you a video where I'm speaking Finnish, and I have no idea and how does it, like, I don't know any word in
We
Finnish,
don't know.
to be
Yeah, we
honest.
can ask the audience if anyone speaks Finnish, they can let us know.
Yeah, but I could show this video, and it's also it also shows you that you don't have to be static in front of the camera. You could also move with video translation. This is possible.
Haluan teille näyttää, että vaikka liikun ja nousen ylös, olen liikkeessä ja haluan vain kävellä vähän ja kokeilla koko juttua. Tämä on minulle tärkeää ja haluan jakaa sen kanssanne. Sitten HeyGenin videokääntäjä toimii myös. Ette tarvitse vain seisoa paikallanne, vaan voitte myös liikkua vapaasti ympäriinsä. Voitte näyttää kameraa vähän ympäriinsä. Voit tuntea olosi täysin vapaaksi ja tallentaa.
Yeah, so you can upload your video in your language and then choose a different type of language, and then it's done. And there's like also this is an enterprise feature, but I want to show you just quick. There's this proofreading option so that you can like have input in your transcript. So you're uploading a video, you select your target language, and before you go to translate this video, you will like go to generate proofread. And then
we have someone that said it is fluent.
Really?
Yeah, Finnish, I can say, and his name looks promising. So
okay, perfect. So
no, but yes,
with this
available.
yeah, with this proofreading option, I mean, the input language here was English, and the output video is now like target language is Spanish. So and now you can like do some changes. So if you have like a branding name or anything, and you want to make sure that this is your branding name or like an branding item or anything, or the translation is not really on point, you want to choose like a different type of word because it's a better fitting here, then you can just like delete it, add a new word, save it, and then after you did your proofreading, you can translate this video.
Yeah, and I actually, in the chat, I see someone is asking if the tutorials can be translated. So this is a great idea that I'm taking note of and telling our team. It would be really cool if they could have they could choose the language to watch the tutorial videos because they're super helpful.
And one a preview I would like to share now is that next week we will have a video translation webinar, but with big updates. So you should join. Wayne, our CPO and co-founder, will attend to this webinar, and he will explain what is new. And if you see on the right top here, like custom instruction, it could be something like this, but Wayne will explain you in the next week webinar.
This is a sneak peek, but we are always making updates. So I'm glad you're telling everyone about next week's webinar, video translations, little deep dive updates. Hope you learned something today about how to use training videos for corporate reasons, corporate purposes, just using the script writing feature, how to change languages on your videos, and using the AI avatars, a little bit about, studio avatar, fine tuning. If there is something that you want us to do a whole deep dive webinar on, definitely leave it in the chat. Let us know. And maybe we have time for a couple more questions.
Sure.
And then from there, we'll give everyone the 5 credits so you can go and test out all of the features. Someone's saying they're very excited about the integration with Canva. So yeah, I am very excited about that as well. I mean, I've been using it, but I think that we're gonna have to definitely do a whole webinar on that one.
Yeah, I think the same, because for this kind of presentation, if you find your perfect workflow, and we will give you tips and tricks how to use like Canva with the power of HeyGen to create your training videos. This would be like an awesome webinar, because there's like a lot of potential here for learning and even find your own like workflow to create your own like personal videos. So I would suggest we should do this, Nikki, and we could start with a webinar in case of Canva. I think this is a very good idea.
Yeah, definitely. Oh, I'm seeing a question that people are saying they can't find your LinkedIn or email. Are you just an avatar?
I'm just an avatar. Yeah, perfect. I was.
Yeah, last week we did talk all about real-time avatars. So if you were watching last week's webinar, it was super interesting. We had updates from the last time that we did the real-time avatar with Alec, but definitely Nick is live in this webinar. Oh, and if you haven't seen it, you could go back to our LinkedIn and back to our YouTube channel to view the past webinars. But yeah, I think that the best place to find Nick actually is Discord. So
yes,
I always send people there. I'm sorry if sometimes maybe you get too many requests, but I send people there to ask questions and just reach our support team in a different way. So
yeah, just DM me via like the Discord channel, or just put your question in support or future request. I mean, we are living from like feedback. So if you want to tell us, hey Jen, you need this feature, you need this button, you need whatever, just let us know. I mean, we are not perfect yet, but we want to become perfect. So, or quite perfect. So I just want to make sure that everyone is giving us the feedback.
Of course. And we appreciate all of the praise. We want to know if we're doing a good job. I see here, congratulations on the viral translation video and the shout out from Elon Musk. So just wanted to say this. If you missed it last webinar, we exactly 1 week ago got shouted out on Twitter, X, whatever you call it these days, by Elon Musk. He basically was commenting on a translation from the World Economic Forum that someone had translated, the Argentinian president speaking English, and he was commenting on it. So, you know, we are so excited that we are reaching new audiences and more people every week with HeyGen. So definitely follow us on all the socials so you can see everything that's going on, even on X, TikTok. I think recently X, we just reached a milestone of
50K.
15K followers. So we're on all the platforms and the webinars. We appreciate everyone that's tuning in live from YouTube and LinkedIn and TikTok. We love it. But let's give everyone here some free credits so they can go and test everything out. I'm going to find the type form, but definitely if you haven't joined the Discord, that is a great place for the contests, and the next contest will be February. Sometime in February, we're going to be announcing it. There's cash prizes. It's a really great way to make some extra money while playing around with the tools and just get creative with it. I am sending, I just pinned up, here is the type form. So definitely write that out, go to that website and fill out the form. And then for anyone that, you know, has been messaging us, I think people want, they want to be able to send you an email. Are you willing to share your email? If not, join Discord.
Join Discord, contact me directly with your questions, with your feedback, any type of support I will offering to you. So let's meet and catch up via Discord.
On Discord, there will be a channel that's Contest Wishes, and that's the one, right? That's the one where Nick is going to post about the February contest. If you would like to receive 5 more credits on top of the ones you're getting today, if you want to receive 5 credits to join the contest and create videos, to keep using our products and just keep giving us feedback, of course, but super cool. I think that's a really great way to get more people to join the contest. And that was,
I'm looking forward.
It was made from the feedback we got. So someone is asking when the 5 credits will appear on the account. Do you know this?
For the type form, it would be like on the next day. You just fill up the type form, and then we will do the rest in the back end. So you just have to wait, like, I don't know, maybe a couple of days, but you will receive it pretty soon. We are working on this.
Yes. And someone asked if there's any openings for content creation or marketing. We are always looking for ambassadors. So definitely look at the different options. We have a creator program as well, creator fund, and an ambassador program.
Affiliate program. Yeah.
I'm like, what was the third one? Yeah. And there's actually a link that I put on TikTok. It's a Beacons link, like kind of like a link tree, and it has the links to all 3: the ambassador application, the affiliate program, and the creator fund, so you can see. But we're always looking for new content creators, people to keep making content, keep spreading the word about HeyGen. So definitely reach out if you're interested. And I don't know if you had anything else to add. I think we covered, a lot of good material on this webinar.
I want to make sure that this is an overview, what we could offer, how does it work. But for sure, it is practice at the end. But you have the templates, you can create your avatars. You can have a look on the left sidebar to like the tutorials. You can go even to our YouTube channel to see like all the tutorials we have, because there are even more. And then you will get better and better. But for sure, like we said, if we should make like a live showcase with Canva, with Adobe Express, then yeah, let us know, even in Discord. I think it's the best place to be. And then we will set this up. So Nikki, thank you so much for today's webinar.
Thank you so much, Nick, and thank you all for tuning in. So come back next Thursday, 2 p.m. Eastern, and follow us on all of our socials, join our Discord and everything. It's been so great. Thank you all so much. Bye.
Have a good one. Bye-bye.